So what we've got here, we've got hydrogen peroxide, and hydrogen peroxide decomposes to produce water and oxygen. But to speed it up, we've got the catalyst in the bottom of the flask, which is manganese oxide. So if you haven't already watched the carbon dioxide video about the setup and how the delivery tube and the beehive shelf set up, then watch that so you can see what way we have it set up. I'm going to hold the boiling tube over the delivery tube, and I'm going to add the hydrogen peroxide to the manganese oxide. I'm just going to, then while I put the stopper on, I'm going to put the gas jar over. We want to try and fill some gas jars and the boiling tube of oxygen. So again, this is produced from downward displacement of water. So we fill the gas jar with water, and when the oxygen is produced, it pushes the water out. So actually the level in the water trough is increasing, the water level in the water trough is increasing because the water's been pushed out of the gas jar into the water trough. Okay, so now we've got our jar of oxygen. We're going to test it to see if it is oxygen. So test for oxygen is that it'll relight a glowing splint. So I light the splint, blow the flame out so it's glowing, and put it in, and it will relight. See how many times we can get it before we run out of oxygen. Now the noise is just because of the air in the jar, it's nothing to do with the test. Eight, so we got 8 times with that jar. So that proves that we had oxygen produced because it relit the glowing splint.